Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swati Mutha, a consulting esthetician and dermatologist practicing in South Bombay for last 12 years. When you're away from home, it's very easy for your skincare routine to go out of toss. Because जब हम travel करते हैं, तब skincare is least on our priority, but reality ये है कि traveling के time is the skin which is most affected. Especially because products normally हमारे bathroom पे, dressing table पे सामने होते हैं and we tend to use them easily. But travel के time we don't have access, so we don't end up doing our skincare routine. Also, all these traveling methods like airplanes, trains, etc., they have these artificial air circulation system. Staying in them for long time causes prolonged heating of the skin, which can really cause loss of moisture of the skin. इससे skin dry, dull होने लगती है. Air travel especially can be really dehydrating for the skin. एक स्टडी हुई थी कुछ साल पहले, उसमें पता चला था कि ह्यूमिडिटी लेवल ऑन एयर goes down to up to 10%. Especially और उसके बाद हमने स्किन का मॉइस्चर लेवल चेक किया था, especially on the cheeks, there was a dramatic change in the moisture level of the skin. This over a period of time, like people who are traveling for long hours या बहुत travel करते, उनकी स्किन बहुत dull, dehydrated and thereby lines, wrinkles ये सब भी जल्दी दिखने लगते हैं. Also, जब हम travel करते हैं, there's a lot of stress like packing, unpacking, rushing to the airport, some unexpected traffic jam. All these things can lead to stress on the body. Stress directly हमारी body में एक reaction produce करता है, जिसके कारण we can get rosacea, any kind of skin inflammatory conditions like eczemas, acne breakouts, and all of this. Also, एक study publish हुई थी EADV journal में 2015 में. ये study की थी people who have stressful work jobs and non-stressful, comparatively less stressful jobs. So उसमें find out किया था कि people who have more stressful life especially tend to break out more along the jawline area. Also, एक सबसे underrated चीज़ है sleep. People tend to ignore it, especially when traveling. You want to do maximum. हमें ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. Sleep is last on priority. But अगर लंबा ट्रैवल है, हेक्टिक है, so make sure you're sleeping well because sleep के टाइम बॉडी का रिपेयर होता है. So if you don't sleep well over a long period of time, it can really lead to a significant difference in the brightness and can lead to dull skin. Luckily, अगर अच्छे से प्लान करें तो हम ये सब चीज़ अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. Here are my recommendations for this. First, start hydrating yourself internally as well as externally. So when you're on the flight, make sure you keep on sipping on water, green tea, etc. so that your skin doesn't get dehydrated on the flight. Another second thing, carry a moisturizer with you on the flight. Very, very important. Before taking a flight, like when you leave from home, moisturize, sunscreen लगा के निकलो, and on the flight, if it's a long hour flight, like more than 4 hours, तो साथ में moisturizer carry कीजिए और बीच-बीच में लगाते रहिए moisturizer. Third important thing, keeps your lips hydrated. Because बहुत बार क्या होता है हम जब travel करते हैं, lips are the most affected और visibly दिखते हैं. And then if you're going to a cold country, वो और dry होते रहेंगे, then you'll get cracked lips. So make sure आप lip balm carry कीजिए. Don't carry the perfumed or the fragrant ones जिसमें बहुत smell और color हो. I personally prefer bland lip balms. You can even carry petroleum jelly, and apply a thick coat on and off every 3-4 hours to keep your lips hydrated. Keep your sunscreen handy with you all the time before leaving from home, on the flight. Flight में भी अगर आप window के पास बैठे हैं तो there's a very strong, especially when you're in the air, you get those direct UV lights which can really cause damage to your skin and cause pigmentation and tanning. So apply sunscreen even on the flight. And जब एक बार आप destination पे पहुंच जाते हैं, so start putting your sunscreen, especially if it's a beach or a hilly destination. Also, fact ये है कि sunscreen 3 hours से ज़्यादा इसका effect नहीं रहता. So make sure you're reapplying your sunscreen every 3 hours. Get a right sunscreen after speaking to your dermatologist because a lot of us feel कि sunscreen से face sticky लगता है, oily लगता है, dark लगता है. So if you get the right sunscreen, आप उसको लगाएंगे भी. Also, आजकल tinted sunscreens आते हैं, so that work as a makeup also and your skin looks good on your holiday, so that you don't avoid using a sunscreen. Another thing is go for a physical block, something with zinc oxide, titanium dioxide sunscreen, so they give you a better block, especially when you're traveling and you're going to be more exposed to the sun rays. Also, बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि क्या कैरी करना चाहिए ट्रैवल के टाइम. बिसाइड्स मॉइस्चराइजर, सनस्क्रीन तो मैंने आपको अभी समझाया, उसके अलावा कैरी अ गुड क्लेंजर. क्लेंजर कौन सा कैरी करना चाहिए डिपेंडिंग आप कौन सी जगह पे जा रहे हैं. अगर आप हॉट कंट्री हॉट प्लेस पे जा रहे हैं सो गो फॉर अ ग्लाइकोलिक और अ सैलिसिलिक एसिड बेस्ड क्लेंजर. बट अगर कोल्ड प्लेस पे जा रहे हैं तो कोई क्रीमी हाइड्रेटिंग क्लेंजर विच इज़ नॉन फोमिंग, ट्राई एंड गो फॉर दैट सो दैट स्किन और ड्राई नहीं हो. ठीक है. क्लेंजर, मॉइस्चराइजर, सनस्क्रीन. अगर आप विटामिन सी रेगुलर बेसिस पे यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन कैरी इट विद यू. उससे एडिशनल सन प्रोटेक्शन मिलेगा बिकॉज विटामिन सी सीरम इन द मॉर्निंग इज अ पावरफुल एंटीऑक्सीडेंट एंड प्रिवेंट्स द डैमेज फ्रॉम द हार्मफुल यूवी रेज. So morning you can put your vitamin C, moisturizer and sunscreen and step out. Reapply your sunscreen. Night में preferably don't use any actives while you are traveling. Wash your face once you are back to your hotel room. वॉश करके सिंपल सा मॉइस्चराइजर लगा के सो जाइए. दैट्स द बेस्ट. डू नॉट कैरी एनीथिंग एल्स व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग. ऑल्सो हम बहुत बार टेम्प्ट हो जाते हैं होटल्स में वो फैंसी प्रोडक्ट्स, क्लेंजर्स, शैम्पूज देख के. You can use the shampoo at least for hair and all, but for face especially I would recommend कि avoid कीजिए using these random face washes or cleansers because you don't want any issue last minute when you are traveling, कुछ reaction, something not suiting or drying up your skin. So body में फिर भी use कर सकते हैं, shampoo फिर भी कर सकते हैं, but don't use any of them, any of those moisturizers या face cleansers on your face. Okay, carry your own travel kit with you. That's the best thing. वो आप साथ में carry कीजिए और वो ही use कीजिए. Also, while traveling, remember to carry a face mist, either a thermal water based or a rose water based, preferably without alcohol. I'm not saying toners. Toners नहीं use करना है. Mist sprays आते हैं आजकल thermal water या micellar water या rose water based. Because if अगर कोई cold country, even for a hot country, बहुत बीच में face wash करने का time नहीं मिल रहा है, गंदा हो गया, you can just spray the mist and dab it with a tissue. And then reapply your sunscreen. ताकि आप अगर water का access नहीं है, face wash का नहीं है, तो you can just at least clean your face with that instead of using those harsh wipes या वो rough towel से wash करने से अच्छा just use these face mist. They really work very well to hydrate your skin. Last, we all know जब हमें acne नहीं चाहिए होता है तभी आता है. And travel में और कोई important event हो that time we mostly end up getting one ugly breakout. So travel में क्यों होता है? Because we are eating outside food. Obviously we all like to indulge, try different foods, stress, all of this. So carry an anti-acne spot corrector cream, or you can carry those colloid patches आते हैं. You can use it as a spot corrector. It helps to quick fix और acne जल्दी settle हो जाएगा. I really hope ये आपके सब काम आएगा सारे tips. If anything else, you can drop us in comments and have a wonderful, safe travel. Enjoy your travel. Don't stress too much. Just make sure you're keeping yourself hydrated internally, externally, carrying your basic products, and try and sleep as much as you can. Thank you.